in robotics as well.
Yeah, and I'm gonna
Right.
share this project right here. Make it bigger so you guys can see it. So this is basically a product inventory, um, a product inventory app, and everything you enter in here is entered into a database, which is right here.
Great. So you used the database concept also to store all the records from the project. The
Yeah,
project is all about the inventory, just like we are going into the market and we are purchasing something. And the whole thing which is running over there, you make it, you tried it to put up here.
yeah, and also here. So for example, if I enter, if okay, so if I have products, you can add products using here, and put if I just put a random ID here, then put like a, so I'm going to show how this works by trying to sample like a order, trying to sample like a order. So nah.
Okay.
So if I click add the cart, it says insert a new customer info, and if I click add a cart again, it inserts the order. And if you check this, it's in here, John and another thing, I guess. So
Okay.
um it has a cart system, and also it allows you to add more products. So I'll just do some sample data here, and
Okay.
then
So what are the buttons you are having in this, like add product? I can see add customer, I can see. Then what are the other buttons?
so this is add product, which adds a
Mhm.
product to the inventory, so you can buy some other stuff, but it won't really show here until I close this, so that's fine. And I mean, sorry, I think I have to do update product inventory, so it'll appear here.
If
And
anybody
then
wants to make any changes there in the product, like say product price, product quantity, so they can make the update inventory.
yeah,
Great.
so if I let's test the search inventory. So this, I'm just gonna make it hygiene, and then 2 3 3 4. Okay, and okay, so now if I do search inventory, um, is this tries to check the product inventory and sees if there's anything that matches this, and if it doesn't, it shows that error occurred when trying to find the product. So if
Okay.
I do something like, I'll do something like this.
And you are still working on it. So you are working on some, you know, background and color combinations and all. Oh my God. I can see that all the records, they are appearing in another window, all the product information. Is that so?
Yeah, all the product information is right here, and it shows the new product that you made.
Okay.
But it's not really showing there. So and also if I add another product, and then I'll just make it like random data, add product, and then show product inventory, it automatically adds the other product. And then the others are just for clearing cart, viewing the customer cart, um, and then others just, and then there's the exit button, which is it.
Okay, great. So you mean that you have used all the code operation in this project, like update, insert, delete operation, right?
Yeah,
And even show all also. And what about the cart information when the customer is ordering any item? They are getting into the cart and then that product is being removed from the purchase, or what is happening in the database when customer is adding any item there in the cart?
So what happens in the database whenever a customer is adding something to the cart is that it creates a new entry in the orders database where it just like lists the customer name and also the product they're trying to order as well. So when you search lookup, when you search like view cart, you can it opens with the cart.
Great, great. So I understood. Like if the customer is going to purchase any product, he is putting that product into their cart, and then at last they are showing this overall, the total, what they need to pay, right? Suppose 3 product they have purchased. So at last it will show the grand total the customer needs to pay. Okay, that's wonderful. Can you show your project one more time? And I guess you are still working on the GUI because the buttons are a little bit tiny. One can see, right? So you can work on that, the background colors, the combinations, the font colors and all, right? You can work on it, and the rest of the application, I want to see that application one more time. Can you share your screen?
Yeah, sure.
So although because you were concerned about the main database operations, which you have worked over there very hard. So I can see all the buttons, they are working very fine, and each and every concept is very clear, that even the customer is purchasing any product, so your order table is getting updated. If you are adding any product, your product table, even how many tables you have used in this? 3 or 2 tables?
Oh yeah, 3 tables.
3 tables. Customer table, product table, and order table. So whenever any new product comes, so product table get updated. Whenever any new customer come, so customer table gets updated, and any orders by the customer, order table gets updated. That's wonderful. Almost you have copied the same thing, the same concept which we will be using there in the supermarkets and all. So very nice. And you are still working on the GUI part, so that the buttons will be more visible, the color combination will be more visible to the users. So that is great. And right, so I can see that all the main operation that is working, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that's great. That's wonderful. All right, you can stop sharing your screen. Wonderful. So, last few things, like you also did some robotics projects, and now you are working there in Python GUI projects with the database. So how you are liking it? Means, how was your experience?
It's like really nice because like with the new uh like
Uh, Designing window, na? Where
yeah,
you can automatically make the design.
sorry, like for like both classes, like the new stuff we cover gets like really fun because we're able to do projects like and customize those projects with the stuff we can
Wow, great.
do.
Any new project you are planning for? I'm
Uh
just I'm just making it casual, like the regular chit chat. So any new project you are looking for?
um for like the
Game you were liking, so you might create a game next.
yeah, and also we're working on Raspberry Pi in robotics.
Oh, that's great. All right. You told me that something big you have also created there in your API work. So can you share that, like not the complete one, but you can share the main description, what you have made or you are working on it,
Yeah,
the
sure.
Raspberry Pi. You were working on some API, I guess.
Yeah, it was an API thing.
Oh God. So I would like to share this point that at this age, at this grade level, you are working on the API things, which is really appreciable because not only the coding part, but you are working on some very deep level of coding and you are making the application programming interface, which is also being used somewhere. Is that so?
Yeah.
Oh, it's being used somewhere. Wow, that's great. Okay, so we'll make some session to explain that API also. Right now, we have just explained our, you have explained your GUI project. So I wish you all the best for all your project and for all your, future coding, your future planning. Very, very good luck to you and keep practicing, keep making all these projects, and I hope you'll enjoy all these things.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.